With our Ozpig Oven Smoker, it comes with adjustable height racks, so you can adjust the height to whatever you're cooking. Our Ozpig Oven Smoker comes with ventilated rack supports. This means if you place a larger piece of meat in there, you're always going to have the air ventilation throughout the smoker. For easy heat control, you have your chimney dampener. Easy to slide in and out to dampen your chimney to lower the temperature. Our temperature gauge has an easy indicator for smoking, baking, grilling and searing. So what we have set up here is our direct heat method. Straight over top of the coals or the fire, perfect for your wood-fired pizzas. So now we're going to dial up the heat, get that high heat for wood-fired pizzas. We have the Ozpig Oven Smoker set up in the direct heat method now. We're going to throw our pizza stones in and throw a couple of wood-fired pizzas through it. Now close the door and allow 2 to 3 minutes to cook your pizzas. A couple of handy hints for using your oven smoker. You always want to look for a thin blue smoke rolling out of your oven smoker. If you have the thick white smoke, it means that you're normally smouldering your timber. You want to allow your smoker to breathe. A little bit more air and oxygen underneath the wood is always key. So if you find yourself with a thick white smoke, you're going to impart a bitter taste into your food. So you always want to look for that thin blue smoke. To keep an even temperature in your oven smoker, every 45 minutes to an hour, throw about 2 handfuls full of charcoal into your fire. Make sure you allow them to light up really well. So for indirect heat, you take your barbecue plate, place it in the bottom of your smoker, allowing an even gap all the way around your plate. Taking your wire rack with your feet, place on top of the barbecue plate, and then your water pan goes directly on top of that. The key to getting moist, low and slow cook is make sure that you always have water in your water pan. Check it every half an hour to 45 minutes. Now the smoke is up to temperature, we're going to use our indirect method and we're going to smoke some ribs. We have our water pan in the bottom. Now we're going to place our ribs straight on the racks. This indirect method is perfect for roasting as well. If you want to do baking, take your water pan out, that'll give you a nice dry bake. For more handy hints on how to use your oven smoker, check out the Ozpig Lovers group on Facebook.